Visible to you all? Am I audible to you all people? Okay, so should I start please? I'm not able. Because generally human resource persons will enter your lives when you will enter the corporate world. But today we have an HR who is here before even you have entered the corporate world. And I will just make sure that the next 1 hour will not be a torture for you, because generally the seminars happen each day. What is this demo sessions? So I will just make sure that you will gain something at the end of it. So let's start from my example. I was in BBA fifth sem. Okay, and my parents informed me that TCS is coming to my college. And the amazing thing was I was not prepared. I do not have anything, whether it is resume or interview preparations, dress to wear, how to present, nothing like that. So the next 2 days were very hard for me because I was busy and getting everything done. And then luckily, fortunately, I was selected because something like Anjumi Khana and other type things. But no, it was not the right way. So I just want to tell you people that you all are future managers, future financial persons. So are you ready for that? We will start with that. Raza, we can have the next slide please. So the first thing in your career is your resume. But resume is something which is taken very casually by like मतलब जितना टाइम आप लोग आपके इंस्टा की प्रोफाइल अपडेट करने के लिए कर रहे हो उतना भी you are not doing for your resume. Generally what happens that you people go to internet cafe and just tell that yeah मेरा resume बनाना please. तो internet cafe वाला person को बहुत intelligent होना लगे wow he is a resume expert. No, he is not an expert. He will just make a very what I can say is very local resume I can say. So what you need to do is you yourself need to create your resume. सबसे पहली बात don't take the help of any person to make your resume. You yourself should make it. Now, अब आप बोलोगे कि मैम ये हम resume expert है क्या? No, I just tell you how to make it. What you need to do is you need to have a Google on that. Just type on Google that what are the amazing resume formats. Okay, then आपको क्या करना है? Just एक template लेना है, उसको copy paste कर लेना है. No. So as you people are in first year now, what I suggest to you is you have 1 month for creating your resume. Yes, I am giving you 1 month. So in the first week, what you need to do is you need to research कैसे किस resume बनता है. Type on Google amazing resume formats, and believe me, you will get that's some amazing things. Then you need to watch around 2,000 resumes in those 7 days, and after that 1,000 resume, you need to select 20-30 resume जो तुमको अच्छे लग रहे हैं और उसका मुझे resume बनाना है. After 7 days you have 20 to 30 resumes. Okay, then what you need to do is अब आपको जो resume आपने कलेक्ट किया जैसे जिसमें से भी अच्छा जो अच्छा है वो बेस्ट है. So best का मिला के your resume will be there. Remember, it is not just a piece of paper. It is you. The resume is you. You can't go. For example, you are applying for a job in law. Then you will come in law. If you are applying for a job in Mumbai, Bangalore, etc., you will not go there, right? But your resume will. Invest a lot of time and जितना अच्छा हो सकता हो, you need to make that. Okay. I hope am I clear? Means can someone from you tell that my views are clear, my voice is clear? Yes. Just do this type of thing, right? And I will be able to yes. Okay. So first thing is create your own. ऐसा नहीं कि इंटरनेट के बारे में बढ़िया मेरा resume बना दूँगा. Don't देखो copy paste is a different thing. Take inspiration is a different thing. Take inspiration from your Google, your colleagues, your friends, but don't get dependent upon other person's copying. और इसका लॉजिक क्या है वो हम आगे देखें. ठीक है. So second point is that you need to include all important information. The important information is You need to do like your name, your objective, your hobbies, everything must be included. अगर आपको पता चल जाएगा जब आप इतने सारे रिज्यूमे देखोगे ना तो यू विल नो कि अच्छा रिज्यूमे में ये भी आता है, सर्टिफिकेशंस आते हैं, अचीवमेंट्स आते हैं, and you people are great because you have 2 years. So there are lots of achievements, certificates, internship so that you can put all of them in your resume. Okay, so some people are writing that it's amazing, write those because it will help you a lot. Then it must be written. Because sometimes what happens ना that people just have common resume. Like मेरे friend ने वैसा बनाया तो मैंने भी उसका comment ऐसा करके छाप के. Don't do that. For example, if you are applying the same company, then 2 resumes are there and दोनों बिल्कुल same है, तो it will not have good impact on action. Okay, so don't do that. And the comment is like have a different resume for printing purpose. Printing in the sense what you will make for digital thing is that it will be colorful resume. Colorful like there is a yellow box, there is a black box, there can pink सा कुछ है, white you can maroon है and black. But if you will use that resume for printing now, then it will not look good. So you will need to have 2 resume files. First is color wali, the way you will send the digital one, and second is non-color, means you need to edit it accordingly. So you will be having 2 resumes, one for printing, one for digital, and whenever there is an application, like you have like you are in the first sem, then you have passed second sem. The first sem का जो भी result है, you need to update that I have got this type of percentage, I have added this achievement in my life. So it will go like this. That's how I am saying that if you are making it from another person, then how will you be able to include all that important information in the resume? Okay. So there are 2 things. Then create a resume with your professional pick. Your pick must be very professional. Like you should have a very casual. Don't have a casual pick or something because generally you are in coat and or something like that. Something in front of nature. जैसे आप इंस्टा और एफबी में अपना प्रोफाइल पिक बनाते हो, सेल्फीज लेते हो, थोड़ा सा एक इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स को ले जाके just go to a place healing or something and then have a photo shoot for your professional things like हमारी जो बात करेंगे नौकरी मास्टर like that. Okay, then whenever the resume is shared with anyone now, their format is PDF, not Word. So what you need to do is जो भी आपका फाइल बना है, you need to convert it into PDF. Then how it is done? It is done by a software like just type on Google that convert the word to PDF. Then it will give you converted file. But please remember, whenever you convert a PDF file, then it might have chances कि जो आपने convert किया ना तो उसमें कुछ editing कुछ हो जाए, like या box से थोड़ा सा नीचे हो जाए, something like that. So it should not happen. So the first thing is ready, yeah, you can have in Excel. First thing is that you have a resume, right? Then I'm saying invest a lot of time. और जब भी आप इसमें addition करोगे, मतलब you will feel कि जैसे मेरा first resume था, it was worst I can say. But yeah, धीरे-धीरे मुझे मैंने कहीं और देखा तो मुझे लगा ये improve करना चाहिए, it should be like that. Slowly it will become amazing. Continuously invest your time in creating the resume. Okay. Then the next slide we can have. The next slide is the common mistakes in resume. The first common mistake is like it is copy pasted. Everything is copy paste. Believe me, HR persons and industry persons are very intelligent. They have lots of common sense. They will just know कि मैं आपने ये कहाँ से copy किया. तो be original in everything. कुछ भी ऐसा मत करना कि यहाँ से एक सेंटेंस छापा और यहाँ पे लेके आ गया. Everything should be original by you. क्योंकि इंटरव्यू जो भी होगा ना वो पूरा रिज्यूमे से होगा. That we will talk in the interview. Second, a very universal thing, spelling grammatical mistakes. मतलब ये तो कोई 20 years वाला भी होगा ना उसके रिज्यूमे में मुझे मिल जाती है. But for 20 years person that is negligible because he has already 20 years of experience. But we people don't. For you people, it is very important that you should be very often taking the grammar stuff. Grammar के लिए एक तो जो word होता है, तो it offers a system like grammar check, right? तो पूरा grammar check. And इसके अलावा एक app है, you can just write it, Grammarly.com. Please write it, Grammarly, Grammarly.com. So please put your content, copy and paste in the Grammarly, and Grammarly app will give you lots of suggestions regarding grammar and accent. Okay? Then the thing happens कि no idea about what is written. क्या हुआ कि मैंने कहीं देखा कि this thing was good and I have just copy pasted कि yeah I can just do it in my resume. No. I just want to share an example with you that a girl come to me, I have interviewed her. She has asked, I know she has written in the resume that I secured first position in essay competition. Big thing, na? So I asked her what was the topic of that essay competition. He said, "से पता ही नहीं था actually." I'm not saying that वो essay competition में first नहीं आई थी that, but the thing is, the trust factor goes out. So please remember that whenever you are writing anything, internship experience or something, then you must know कि internship कहाँ की, कितने दिन की, क्यों की, what is the purpose, with whom you were under. ऐसा नहीं कि बस लिख दिया है. Again on the coding example, I am like बंदे ने example like interview experience share किया. He has mentioned that his hobby is Harry Potter. I think Harry Potter. So his interview was total 1 hour, out of which 25 minutes were about Harry Potter. I am not a big fan of Harry Potter, and I believe that IIM persons were also not a big fan. But they just wanted to know that if the guy is looking for this thing, that if he has written Harry Potter in that, then how much he knows about it. He still was to come and yeah. So believe these things that don't write any fake information or just resume को अच्छा बना. If you write something less, it would be okay, but if you write something additional which you do not know, then it would be a better. Okay? Then strange name. मतलब जैसे जब भी आप कोई फाइल बनाते हो वर्ड या तो what happens is that people do not take care to name it properly. People name it like resume, my resume, final resume, latest resume. You will say कि ऐसा भी होता है latest resume. Yeah, होता है. And फिर कहते हैं previously हमने PDF फाइल कन्वर्ट की है. तो जब मैं PDF में कन्वर्ट करती हूँ तो फाइल नेम इज लाइक मेरा नाम resume का नाम है पूर्वी जैन. And when I converted it, तो उसका फाइल का नाम है पूर्वी जैन converted. This type of things happen. So do not have that type of things. So what should be the name of the resume? It should be like your name. Like mine is region, then underscore your designation or something like for me this HR and experience 5 years. It will be a perfect thing. Why perfect? Because हो सकता है like अभी मैंने apply किया, then the HR will not have any open positions, right? But in future, whenever she will filter the things now, then what will happen? That yeah, for HR things, my resume will come first. Okay, so always take care to name your resume properly. Okay, I hope you are getting the things. Can I have this? Okay, this is good to use. We have next slide, please. So one thing is ready. A proper resume. Don't take resume very casual. It is a very important document. Okay, a resume में क्या क्या? Letting it show. Or many of you have heard about Naukri and Monster. So it is better if you get placed from the college. It is well and good. And then you know there are lots of things in the market. You need to create the Naukri and Monster profile. क्या है ना? When you have created a very effective resume, you have all the information on your one hand. Then जो भी Naukri में फॉर्म टाइप होता है, उसमें भी सारी डिटेल्स है. तो once जो मैंने आपको 1 month का टाइम दिया था ना वो ऐसे ही नहीं है. Once you are ready with those details, it is very easy for you to get the information on Naukri, Monster, and other things. Okay, I am getting that point because I am just here to just I have to cover various things, so I will not share the things what you need to do. I am just sharing how the things will go out. Strike the points and research about that. And then next is my favorite thing. I just want to ask that can you please raise your hands that who people are on LinkedIn here? LinkedIn. And Facebook, Insta. I saw the hand raise करूँ मुझे पता है कि you people are. Okay, so the very important thing is create your profile on LinkedIn. The very first thing you need to do after this session. Hey, just don't think that मैं marketing manager LinkedIn कि अगर LinkedIn में एक जितने accounts नहीं उतना मुझे पैसा मिलेगा. It's nothing like that. You just need to create LinkedIn profile because it is an amazing platform. So first, just uninstall Apple and Instagram from your phones It is a very disturbing thing. I will not say time wasting, it is time killing. Whenever you scroll for an hour on Facebook, what you get? Get nothing? Never. You get that much. What? Stress, depressions, tensions. क्या होता है? अरे वाह, उसने तो नई बाइक खरीद ली यार, उसने तो नई ड्रेस ली आई हो तो, अरे वाह इसकी शादी हो गई, प्री वेडिंग शूट, अरे वाह क्या शानदार, अरे मुझे क्या मतलब यार, what I need to know, और वहाँ क्या रेस्टोरेंट में गया था, what should I have these things are adding means shit to my mind basically. मुझे अपनी वैल्यू पे फोकस करना है, I do not know other people about it. हो सकता है other people have lots of rich debts जिसके पैसे वो कमा के देते हैं, but I need to make my career. Believe me, uninstall every Insta for a week and changes will be there. And don't worry, I'm switching you to LinkedIn. LinkedIn maybe you will get lot of things to know. Everything is related to industry experts and everything. अब मैं एक बात बताती हूँ LinkedIn का क्या आपको फायदा होता है. So what you need to do is, you just need to make a slide content in which field you are planning to make your career. ठीक है? Second thing, decide the companies. That which type of companies you are targeting. Third, select the location that you are okay just for Hyderabad or Bangalore is also fine for, Mumbai is also fine, or out of Delhi is also fine for. So you need to just decide today that what I am targeting. Target and then make a list of 20-25 companies in which you are interested. Okay. Then follow those companies or LinkedIn. Connect with the right persons, their managers, their executives on there. अब क्या होगा? Now whenever these people they post anything about the company or the company itself is post about themselves, so you will know that अच्छा this company works on these things. This company needs such type of certification, such type of technology, so I should be master in that. Along with the industrial knowledge, you will get to know what I need to do this. This company always look for HR persons. This company always look for finance things. This company always look for marketing things. Yes, it is the thing. इसके बाद you will get lots of motivation, quotes, inspiration stories because we people can't do that. Means we are not from Oxford, we are not from America, USA, or very big companies. But on LinkedIn, you will find everyone from Microsoft to Google to Oxford to Harvard. So those people are sharing their experiences for free. सब कुछ मुफ्त में अगर है तो क्या दिक्कत है? But उसके लिए first just delete one thing from your life that is empty and extra and enter LinkedIn of your life. And believe me, you will just love it because it is very motivational. LinkedIn पे भी वही हो रहा है जो MP पे हो रहा है लेकिन different है. Like जैसे MP पे लोग डालते हैं कि मैं नया प्लस लाया. LinkedIn पे people say कि I got a new job. So the things changes. तो ड्रेस आप देखोगे तो you will feel कि मुझे भी नई ड्रेस लानी है. But आप जब देखोगे that particular person had got a new job at an IT is आपको लगेगा यार I should also do. या some people is posting their certifications or something. So you will say कि मुझे भी ऐसा करना चाहिए. So your approach will different. Okay, so do it today when it is compulsory as request to do. Because as soon as you will start doing those things, you will get more knowledge about it. Okay, one thing I just want to convey out here also that don't start posting by yourself any picture. Your LinkedIn, first of all, your LinkedIn profile should be very attractive. An about section, have a good photo, have a good cover page, have a good description, achievements, skills and everything. Just take 2-3 months to hone your skills, to hone your profile, follow the things, and then you start posting from yourself. Because generally happens that लोग क्या करते हैं बस अकाउंट बनाना स्टार्ट नहीं, it takes some time. Observe what other people have. Okay, तो सब बनाने के अकाउंट LinkedIn पे connect with me over there and there for you every time for any questions and answers. The responses might be delayed, but I will respond to you. The sir will share my LinkedIn profile link with you. Please get me connected with that. And जो भी questions भी हमारे में you are already needed, so I'll take on LinkedIn. Just ping me personally and I'll just 100% I'm there for you. Okay. Then here comes the video resume. अब वीडियो रिज्यूमे क्या होता है? It is a trend today. वीडियो रिज्यूमे ले जैसे कि आप खड़े हो गए but I would want this and that and this and that. जैसे कि क्या ऐसा कुछ क्या chaos आ रहा है, कुछ clouds आ रहा है, एक ये format होता है. आप सर्च करना इस बारे में कि how to create my videos. Just believe not वो birthday videos बहुत बना लिए, anniversary के videos भी बहुत बना लिए, फिर like किसी के बच्चा हुआ उसका भी वीडियो पर बना लिया. Now focus on yourself and how to make my profile. Okay, just focus everything. मतलब आज से ना मैं जो भी करूँगा मैं पहले लिखना. कैसे में because this 2 years are the golden time period for you and you are very lucky that you are getting this information in every first year. जैसे कि lots of people को जब फोर्स टाइम हो जाता है जैसे ताने या जाने का मूवी भी है फिर उसको कॉलेज का तो मूवी आप क्या करना है नो फिर बोले ना रन घूमने में जा रहे हैं तो सारे अष्ट शस्त्र सब लेके जाओ if your college GPO calls you in the 2 a.m. in the night time that the company is arriving next day you should stay set and ready तब आना भी आ जाओगे it should be like that should be the confidence okay because company should have the option of it should not have any option to reject you मतलब उनको लगना चाहिए कि इस कॉलेज से किसको ले जाऊँ सब अच्छा ठीक है then we are coming next to email etiquette email etiquette is a very important thing and people do not know even after various years of experience that how to share the email how to do this the first thing is there should be a proper subject line. Your email ID should be professional. Email ID professional means like, say, I'm sorry, इसी का कोई यहाँ पर इस तरह का कुछ, फिर आप dashing rahul@gmail.com, sparkling shreya@gmail.com. देखो ऐसे मैंने देखे हाँ मैं जैसे मजाक नहीं कर रही तभी तो मैंने बोला dashing dia@gmail.com. Don't have such type of Gmail accounts. Just believe that HR is getting your resume और उसके पास ऐसा आया. Sparkling Surabhi@gmail.com. It will not do. Prince Priyatam @gmail. Okay. So use such type of very professional. Add your name, and if it is not available on Gmail, use your date of birth or something like that. It should be very professional. किसी का भी अगर है, no issue. No, I have told you earlier. Please make a new one because once you are putting your resume, emailing your resume ना, then it will be very hard for you. To make it correct, फिर आपको दोनों email मिलेंगे. Deactivate the previous one and start working upon the next one. अब at my first year, but whenever you will just start searching for a job on LinkedIn or Naukri Monster, develop a habit of checking emails. Because I just want to quote an example. My ma'am was there. She was extremely intelligent. She has got a call from PNB, Punjab National Bank, for a probationary officer post. Unfortunately, the mail has got into spam and she was not able to read that up. The opportunity was lost. She has shown that to me and it was horrible thing. So what you need to do after having बहुत सारे emails आते हैं ऐसे इसको follow करें. So you need to do is like जो भी extra emails हैं unsubscribe का option आपको लग रहा है कि is unsolicited take on it फिर एक छोटा सा unsubscribe लिखा है उसको आप unsubscribe करते हैं you will just receive very important emails check spam also because sometimes you have multiplied with applied with multiple companies and HR do not have the time ना कि सबको personally email करे सबको personally call करे तो क्या करते हैं एक bunch बना के this people has sent me the resume and email share करते हैं और उस टाइम spam में चला never lose an opportunity always develop a habit of checking. जितना WhatsApp tag करते हो उससे भी ज़्यादा नहीं not for now because you are in first year but whenever you are subject relevant होना चाहिए ऐसा नहीं सब resume में आते हमारे पास it should like ऐसा resume the people feel that of a subject with a blank there is nothing in the subject पूरा word no signature nothing they feel that Purvi is very intelligent और मैं को समझ चाहिए no. The subject should be relevant, like applying for the post of Dash. Then your subject should be according to them, like, hello ma'am, I want to a post on LinkedIn regarding the job opportunity for this. In this regard, I'm attaching the resume. And this is जो मैंने बोला वो नहीं लिखना. Again, आप क्या करना? You need to create some format for emails. First, write it down. It's very important. First is how to apply for the job. Applying for the job to be first email. Okay, कुछ लोगों को जो लग रहा है ऐसे निकाले कॉपी यार ठीक है फ्रेंड से ले लेंगे ठीक है. So first is applying for the job. How to apply for the job? इसका email again किसी भी email को copy paste नहीं करना है. What you need to do is just search about 5-10 templates. जो वाला formula best and your email format is there. You need to reply to every communication from the company. Okay? So be cautious about that. जो भी conversation होता है on messages, on WhatsApp, on emails should be very close to the communication. Second, if HR invites you for the interview, then also reply to that. Yeah, thank you so much for providing me the opportunity to interview at your place. अगली इसका भी आपको format email मिल जाएगा. वो भी चीज़ करनी है कि how to accept the interview invite. 5 format चुन के फिर एक अपना बनाए. बाद वाली चीज़ भी बोलूँगी consider that. Third is if you are going to interview, thank you for the company for the interview that I am waiting for the feedback from your side. Fourth, if you are not getting feedback, follow it. Fifth, you are selected in the company for the next round. Again, how to share that. Sixth, if the HR shares your offer letter, how to accept that offer letter. And if by chance you have 2-3 offers, you are not accepting that, then how to say that, okay, it's really nice to connect with you, but I'm calling up from another company and I'm looking forward with working with you in future someday. Never end anything on that. And every time just put the things end by on a very good note. Because it happens again, like in my previous company, I have hired a person who have interviewed us 2 years back. तो ऐसा नहीं आज नहीं हुआ तो कभी भी हमारा it's a long term thing ना. So always be nice to everyone you met. Like next is if I check so rejection email, then also share very positive email that oh unfortunately I was not, but in future this is. Okay? So अब आपके पास सारे email templates ready हैं. अब कोई भी अगर आपको मैसेज मेल करती है you are ready. Believe me, it will help you a lot. And उस टाइम का जो आपका हार्ट एक तो ना टेंशन हो जाते हैं, it will get reduced by 80%. Okay, then every signature you know is like best regards to DJ and HR manager. Have a signature. Google में option आता है settings में जाके proper signature भी बहुत सारे ऐप मिलेंगे आपको. The signature creator तो उसमें भी थोड़ा अपना वाला स्टाइल इसको आप कॉपी मत करना है. Okay, then जो हमने पहले किया था every मतलब आपके साथ इतना सारा कैसे हम करेंगे. अरे just think about that. KG1 से लेकर नर्सरी से लेकर हमने जो आज तक किया है किस लिए? For a job, right? For a career, for making our parents proud and everything. So you need to do this hard. And if it's 2 years are sufficient for you, I'm not saying that it will. So email का हो गया हमारा. So next is what? Here comes the interview date. Any other name? Excellent. So interview date is prepared by everything. Because it is a deep dream for every one of you from the child. और आप ही कर जो your parents, your grandparents, your uncle, auntie, your brother, sister, सभी की मन में रहता है कि यार आज जब मेरा बच्चा वो किसी अच्छी कंपनी में हो जाए, सेटल हो जाए, तो वो कहेंगे नहीं आपसे. Because आजकल क्या है कि ज़्यादा किसी बच्चे को प्रेशराइज करते हैं, सुसाइड कर लेते हैं, कौन सा चला जाऊँ मुझे कुछ बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है, ऐसा वैसा. इसमें पेरेंट्स भी आजकल डर जाते हैं बेचारे. पर सबके मन में ये बिलीव भी. सेकंड स्लाइड, सेकंड नेक्स्ट दैट आर वॉर हमारा जो भी बच्चा है वो कहीं अच्छी प्लेस में पहुंच जाए. सो प्लीज बी सीरियस अबाउट दिस थिंग्स दैट दिस थिंग्स आर नॉट जस्ट फॉर वन सेकंड. इट इज योर होल लाइफ, होल फैमिली. ओके, प्रैक्टिस इंटरव्यू प्रैक्टिस के साथ करेंगे. इंटरव्यू कैसे इंटरव्यू को बनाएंगे? ऑफ कोर्स नॉट. So the first thing is you can just have someone who is elder from you and just take key questions आपसे पूछेंगे और answer. Yeah, second thing, if you don't want nothing, mirror is there. Take a list from Google that for example you are applying to marketing manager position, you are a marketing person. Take a list from Google कि what are the general questions interviewer ask. उसको खुद ही पूछो mirror में खुद से that tell me about yours. खुद ही answer करो. I am this, I am that. अब इससे फायदा क्या होगा? The profit from this is because we all know about myself. मुझे भी पता है who's me, but I'm not able to express. But whenever you say again and again, I'm this and that, you will know कि मुझे क्या बोलना है और I need to speak. जैसे 10 क्वेश्चन 20 क्वेश्चन की लिस्ट बनाओ, खुद से क्वेश्चन पूछे खुद को आंसर. You can have a script also. एक्सक्रिप्ट बना के रख लो और उसी को बोलो। आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि कुछ रट्टा मारना है, रट्टा नहीं, but practice is the thing because you will have never given any interview in your past days. Okay, read out the job description whatever you have that mother love and just you can have some edits your resume according, like if they are focusing something more on that particular thing you can include that also. Then the next very important thing is getting maximum information about the company. Whenever आप एक लड़की लड़का देखने जाओगे तो कैसे चले जाओगे, उसका फेसबुक प्रोफाइल देखोगे, क्या कैसे रहती है, क्या पोस्ट करती है, राइट? बट इंटरव्यू लेने ऐसी किसी भी कंपनी में इंटरव्यूअर हैज आस्क्ड यू व्हाट यू नो अबाउट आवर कंपनी, हम आपका इंटरव्यू कॉल आते हैं, read their whole website, read their Google business page, read their LinkedIn page, their FB page. I'm adding a whole remark because the thing changes when I'm talking about the company. FB page, if they have Insta page, then Glassdoor things, what the company do. तो आपको एक इंटरव्यू समथिंग बिग जब आप एग्जाम के लिए इतना प्रिपेयर कर सकते हो, तो इंटरव्यू हो गई, डोंट टेक इट नॉन सीरियस। नेक्स्ट जो हमेशा होता है, टाइम इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, रीच ऑन टाइम। टाइम मैनेजमेंट नहीं है, यू कांट डू सच। इमेजिन अ कंपनी, द कंपनी में जो भी इंटरव्यूज होते हैं, and they are very busy persons. If they have given a slot to like 5 to 6 7 to taking the interview, then he or she has delegated some task कि 5 PM वाला जो वर्क था मैं 6 पे करवा दूँ, 6 पे होता है। And if you are late, for wasting the whole time, as happened with me, a girl came 45 minutes late for that day. And in spite of she was very good, I have rejected her because time is the important thing. So this type of things happen. So what we need to do is, whenever you get from the company for the interview, do one thing, just go to that office a day before or 2 days before. Because you are done, Google Map is something which we can't trust 100%. एक बार मेरी फ्रेंड गूगल मैप की यूज से जा रही थी कहीं और वो कार उसके खाई के बस भाग रहा है, गूगल मैप से सेलिंग स्ट्रेट इट इज नॉट जोक, इट हैपेंड। तो एक अगर if you not never seen that office in your life before, it would be better कि you have visited that place and believe me 30% stress will go down because अब आपको सिर्फ इंटरव्यू का स्ट्रेस है। जगह आपने देखी हुई, आपको मतलब ऑफिस के बाहर भी चले जाओ, गेट पे भी चले जाओ और बचाने का ये घंटा का और फैमिली इज डोंट बी नर्वस और डोंट बी ओवर स्मार्ट। अब दोनों चीज के अपोजिट है, दोनों पे नर्वस इसलिए नहीं होना है बिकॉज कंपनीज आर इंटरव्यूइंग यू बिकॉज दे वांट टू पे यू। The company is not going to reject you. Reject करना होगा तो इंटरव्यू क्यों करती, right? And it is better for HR and the interview person if you are selected, their position is closed, their work is finished. So the interviewers always try that they want to take you and there is no कि ऐसे भी करके इसको ले, okay? So believe that interviewers are not a strict person. They just try to find out that how you are positive and at the end of the day they reject you. But again, if you are rejected, don't feel कि मैं reject हो गया, people blame that style. Because there are various things in which an interview is done and what they are expecting. So don't feel bad. And really, many interviews you will give, you will get lots of experience, and it will help you a lot in your future. And I'm writing going to be worse also. Sometimes, but I was even too smart. मतलब एक्सेंट में ऐसे बोलेंगे जैसे कि कभी यूएस के फ्लाइट से भी उतरेंगे यहाँ पे, हाँ दिस I'm that एक नॉर्मल ओवर स्मार्ट नहीं होना है, इतना भी लगता है इतना because like be original about you are. There's nothing like कि इतना नर्वस हो गए, just be original. Original रहोगे तो बहुत मजा आएगा और जहाँ आपने लोअर लेवल किया या अपर लेवल किया तो things will go down. I hope everything is clear to you all and I'm able to explain the things to you. Now know your resume. एक सिचुएशन आपको बताते हैं, आप इंटरव्यू के लिए take the print out of the resume with you. Many people do not do that. Okay, so you need to interview and you do not have your resume now. Okay. अब आपको उसने इंटरव्यू में क्वेश्चन पूछा कि ये तो आपको पता नहीं कि मैंने कहाँ लिखा है, तो what you should know कि अगर इंटरव्यू सेकंड पेज पे है तो आपको इतना ही पता होना चाहिए कि सेकंड पेज पे मैंने क्या लिखा, उससे क्या क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट पूछ सकते हैं। So you should be very, very cautious in that. Okay? So this thing I'm again saying, do never write anything in your resume which you do not know. Next slide, can we have the next slide please? ऐसा इंटरव्यू को एक भी मौका मत दो that he or she can just do कि यार इसको तो कुछ भी नहीं आता है. Now these are some general things and very important for all of you that know your communication skills. We are living in India, but still I am saying that English is compulsory for you all, especially MBA persons. Without English you can't do anything. So English improve करने के लिए join the classes, join the sessions, anything, and you should have an amazing communication skills to succeed. Without that, you have to be 2 years, invest a lot of you in yourself. And again, mirror is your best friend. Practice in front of mirror and do everything. Okay, just start speaking with your friends and everyone there. Then there is MS Office. How much you know about MS Office? This can you raise your hands? MS Office, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel. Do you know about that? So you need to get specialization in that how you can do Excel things. Means PowerPoint is something which is amazing. And it has lots of scope. There are lots of scopes to do. You can create a video, you can create a card, you can create video, everything you can create about. So explore it. On Skillshare you can join computer classes. Excel is unlimited. There are n number of formulas in Excel. If I talk about me, I just know 20-30% of Excel today. In fact, I'm working since 5 years and still it has a lots of scope of learning. To get your expertise in MS Office. ये जो अभी आपको resume बनाना है, if you do not know कि how to run MS Office PPT, then how you will make a good resume? I have created my resume in PowerPoint. And maybe you also create in PowerPoint, but first learn PPT, learn Word, learn Excel. Then the next important thing is participating in everything, seminars and everything, because these things really help you to grow. Suppose if for this 1 hour you are not, then what you will be doing? You will be on FB, on Insta, or sleeping. So in this 1 hour, if I not get anything, कुछ मिला नहीं होगा लेकिन कुछ नया भी नहीं होना है सब, right? तो एक और जैसे आपका हैदराबाद सिटी में भी इवेंट हो रहा है कुछ like डिजिटल इवेंट्स हो रहे हैं, तो you should participate in it. ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब ठीक है आपसे भाई एक रेस्ट करना नहीं, but invest in those events. आपको लग रहा है कि 500 rupees का टिकट है, I can't go to that conflict, participate. इसके अलावा there are inter-collegiate competition, enter in that. Because जब तक आप बाहर एक्सप्लोर नहीं करोगे ना, you will just be a James Bond who एक बार मेंटल जिसको बोलते हैं, ठीक है? तो जितना एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो, जितना ऑनलाइन लेनदेन आउटसाइड लोगों से मिलना, नेटवर्किंग, so you will get confidence with that. अगर कॉलेज में जाओगे तो अपने कॉलेज को कंफर्टेबल हो जाता है, but whenever you participate in inter collegiate ना, you will get confidence to talk with lots of professors and everyone. Okay, so the last slide, which is my favorite, and I believe that if you are a good human being, then you will be a good professional, and if you are a good professional and not a good human being, then there is no meaning of your existence. Okay, first thing, control, please control Instagram and every Instagram, TikTok. मतलब गवर्नमेंट ऐसा चीजें रिस्ट्रिक्ट करनी पड़ती है, टिकटॉक बंद करना पड़ता है। We are not self-aware कि वीडियो यूज नहीं करना, हमारे पास बहुत सारे काम हैं। Please try this. I am requesting you. You will love not being with that parents. Financial independence. Today I am saying that people have 50,000 phone, 40,000, 35,000, 20,000. इतना महंगा फोन, देखो अभी बाकी कमाई में आपकी कमाई में जब आप कमाओगे तो पता चलेगा कैसे है। तो मेरा जो फोन है ये 6,000 रुपए का। If I have lots of money, I will invest in shares, invest in mutual funds for a secure career or secure life. Because in Corona period we all have faced that rags to riches to riches to death. जो बेचारे बहुत बड़े-बड़े बिजनेसमैन उनका बिजनेस डाउन हो गया, so the future is uncertain. तो as you are an MBA person, you should have a savings habit. जितना सेव कर सको उतना आर्ट पूलिंग होता है, विकल्प पूलिंग होता है, try to do that. Don't waste your money. Money is a precious thing, whether it is yours or your parents. Okay? Financial intelligence is a very important thing, और ये for now हमेशा के लिए is important. Okay? Then the second one is eat healthy. Because if you are not eating healthy, after you eat street food, just watch the videos how the street food is made. It's very bad. It's the water they use, the products they use, the things they use. In all our homes, the food is very tasty. Our mothers prepare very tasty food. So you should have the food at your home only. Then you have to take your bottle, take your nashta, take your breakfast with you, and then only go. Meditate. Spend time with yourself. Because we know about empathy, कि हमारा कितने सारे friends हैं, मैं उसको जानता हूँ. Do you know yourself? Have you talked with yourself? I don't think so. You have talked. So what you need to do? This girl is sitting here like this. You need to sit alone with yourself on a terrace in the early morning. 10 minutes, 20 minutes, do that, and you will feel amazing. And slowly just increase that time, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, and you will love meditating, because at the end of the day you will feel refreshed. Without phone, without any friends, you will not feel anyone, just you and you. Peaceful, और कुछ भी नहीं करना, बस शांति से बैठ जाना है वहाँ पे जाकर. मतलब कहीं no signals are, but with no disturbance. Take some time to yourself for your personal, for your health, for your career, because we need ourselves more. और एक और चीज जो मैंने यहाँ नहीं लिखा है वो से प्यार से भी जरूरी बहुत सारे काम है आपके पास. I'm sorry if you have any secret couples here, but अगर love life feeling despoils our career as well as personal. इन सब की जिंदगी पड़ी है, just focus later on that, because it will disturb your things. उसकी भी जो आपका XYZ है आपकी. I'm not saying don't engage in these things, but for now if you can ignore the things that hampers, it would be great, because make your career first and then involve. Okay, I just given a hint of this. And if you feel depressed, never opt anything. If you feel depressed, ask for help. Sushant Singh case. He was in depression and nobody knew the results of suicide. देखो सभी की लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स है. Some people show, some people do not, but every person has an own set of problems in their life. ऐसा बिल्कुल कभी मत मतलब एक एज ले लो कि मैं जिंदगी में सुसाइड कभी नहीं करूँगा. I never do suicide. Just think about the situation that you have done suicide. Imagine करो and think about your parents' face उनकी क्या condition. Change fear. You will not do anything. Talk to your friends. You can contact me anytime on LinkedIn that I am facing such a problem for time. किसी की लाइफ ऐसी नहीं जिसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. किसी की फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम रहती है, किसी को डिजीज रहती है, किसी की कुछ प्रॉब्लम रहती है पर्सनल. I can just show you the examples of Microsoft CEO का जो एक बेटा है, he is handicapped. और उनको तो कुछ करने नहीं होगी, but you never feel depressed, because whenever we go to practice singers and all, we can just see कि कितनी गरीब लोग बेचारे did not have the food to eat. And we आप सब अच्छे कॉलेज में क्लास senior friends हैं, तो कॉलेज is amazing. So you all are from a good family. We have enough to live. एक जो छोटे इंसान है ना उसके हमारे पास बहुत कुछ है. Okay. So on this note, I just want to end there. We have lots of things in our mind, and we should take care of it. And just focus on everything for you as well as your society. I hope my things were clear to you. And all my questions will be solved on LinkedIn. Just share me a message. Just share me a LinkedIn message. I accept that. I hope the session was fruitful for you. I have something more to speak, but I was running behind the time, so I tried to make it fast even.
Thank you so much, Miss Purvi ma'am, for your valuable time. Thank you so much, Miss Purvi ma'am, for your valuable time. We actually came to know how to prepare our resume. That is the first part that we have to do, and we will make sure that we will make proud to our parents as well as our college. And you already told, like you have said about how to conduct ourselves when we are walking in an interview. And I was in knowing that we have to convert our resume in a PDF. I was making in Word. So this is was surprising for me. Thank you so much on behalf of all the faculty and fathers. Thank you so much for your special training. Thank you.
I know you all will succeed by leaps and bounds. You all will achieve some abroad heights. I know that.
Good morning, Purvi ma'am. Good evening, Purvi ma'am. Good evening, sir, and all my dear friends. Thank you, ma'am, for telling us the expectations of a company from a fresher, the effective resume, how to build an effective resume, the common errors that an individual makes, and the various platforms where we can upload our resume like LinkedIn, Naukri.com, and Monster. Thank you for telling us the email etiquette and templates, the various interview tactics that we need to use. As it is said, interview is an interview. The one who practices makes the person perfect. Don't be never nervous and be confident. As it is said that learning is a part and parcel of life. If you stop learning, it is the end of your life. So never stop learning. And thank you, ma'am, for spending your valuable time and delivering us valuable information. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, all. Thank you so much for attending, for listening to me. Thank you the college for inviting me. Thank you all. Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Can I leave the meeting then? Can I leave the meeting? Oh, thank you so much. Bye guys. Bye guys. Bye guys.
Yeah, excuse me. Before going, you need to update your attendance with the madams. Mamta madam, Gracie madam, Sai madam. Tomorrow CRT program.